LeBron James handang mag-adjust para sa kampyonato. LeBron James finally made his season 23 debut at kahit medyo mabagal ang simula, mabilis niyang pinakita na kahit 40 years old na siya, iba pa rin ang basketball IQ at impact niya. Hindi siya nagpakabayani sa scoring, instead, nag-focus siya sa playmaking at doon siya pinakanamukod-tangi. LeBron finished with 11 points, 12 assists, shooting 4-7 sa field at 2/3 sa tres. Sobrang efficient. Sobrang composed. At pinaka-importante, tinanggap niya ang role bilang third scoring option. Makikita sa game na hindi na siya pilit, hindi siya naghahabol ng stats dahil ang mindset niya ngayon ay winning basketball, hindi record hunting. At dahil sa playmaking niya, lumutang ang laro ni na DeAndre Ayton, 20 PTs, 14 rebs, at Jake LaRavia, 16 PTs in 16 minutes. Sa interview, malinaw ang mensahe ni LeBron. Kahit ano pang role, first, second, or third option, basta panalo ang team, ayos ako. At dito mo mararamdaman, handa na talaga ang Lakers sa Luka Doncic era. Si Luka mas komportable na. Si Austin Reeves mas mature, mas confident, mas improved. At si LeBron, willing na maging weapon na hindi kailangang laging scorer dahil ang target nila ay championship, hindi highlight plays.
Lakers trade interest, Lauri Markkanen.
Habang umaandar ang season, mas lumilinaw ang plano ng Lakers. Build the perfect roster around Luka, dagdag Reeves, dagdag veteran LeBron. At sa kanilang radar, andun ang pinakabagay na piraso, Lauri Markkanen ng Utah Jazz.
Checkmark 7-footer. Checkmark elite shooter. Checkmark versatile scorer. Checkmark fits perfectly next to Luka. Checkmark provides spacing, length, and additional firepower.
For years, considered untouchable si Markkanen pero ngayong 5-8 record ng Jazz at youth movement nila nagbago ang ihip ng hangin. Ayon sa insiders, handang makinig ang Utah sa trade offers basta kapalit ay young assets at draft picks. Kaya agad kumilos si Rob Pelinka at nag-open ng talks with Utah. Hindi pa final pero malinaw, Lakers want Markkanen badly and his skill set is exactly what this new Lakers era needs. Oo, may konting injury history. Oo, malaki ang kontrata. Pero para sa Lakers front office, getting a prime 28-year-old all-star 7-foot shooter is a risk worth taking.
Kung mag-push through ang trade, Lakers instantly become one of the most dangerous offensive teams in the West. Spacing par kay Luka? Check. Reliable third star? Check. Perfect fit with Reeves at LeBron? Check.
Isang move na pwedeng magbaligtad ng buong Western Conference landscape.
Summary. Powerful closing. LeBron is officially embracing the third option role, efficient, unselfish, and focused on winning. Luka plus Reeves plus LeBron equals more balanced, more dangerous Lakers offense. Lakers are actively pursuing Lauri Markkanen, a perfect fit for their next championship blueprint. If this trade happens, LA becomes a top contender instantly.
Iyan ang buong teksto.